celebrating all the frontline workers. Thank you so much. Salute to all of you. Hey YouTube, so I am currently in lazy bum mode. I didn't do a workout for a while, but I was sore after the workout that we did do. Currently, I'm in the process of folding all the yay clothes and doing a couple loads of laundry as well. It's quite exhausting. Anyways, I just wanted you to know that I'm going to decide on what topic or where I'm heading into with my YouTube channel. I know I have a lot of different types of content. Just trying to debate on where I should go from here.
When Christ rose.
Good morning. So, as I was feeling like a bum yesterday, lazy bum, this is how we get these nice wavy curls. If you sleep with your braids on the night prior and you just take it out, you will get some nice braided looking waves in your hair in the bottom. See? So if you do that on both sides, I'll show you what it looks like as a final end product. So this is the final end product. It's very nice and beautiful, but what we could do is tie part of our hair up to make this look extra prettier and to make it look like we actually did our hair today. Ta-da! And now we have our morning beach curls hair